Yo, what's up guys, Rolby here, and today we are starting to upload $0 to $10,000 challenge. So now I will explain you how we are doing this. So I started with Binance affiliate program at 10th of March, and I want to see if I can get $10,000 on my account without investing single dollar. Only thing how I can make money for trading and investing is by offering you my referral code with 41% of fees. So you're gonna get 20% for yourself and I'm gonna get rest. So that's maximum you can get on Binance right now. So we are both making money instead of giving those extra fees to exchange. And I will try to give my best to entertain you, and we can learn something together as well. So today is 1 month and 20 days from when I started with those, and today I will show you how much we made so far. But before we start, I just want to invite all of you into my crypto Discord server. It's totally free and we are really active and we always help each other. And also please be aware that on YouTube there are a lot of scammers in comment section, so please never call any numbers or don't send any messages to them because they type something, I will give you millions and so and so. It's all fake and it's all scam. For example, there was a guy with my profile picture and my full YouTube nickname, and he wanted to pretend that he was me, and he wanted people to contact him on WhatsApp. So me and my Discord group wanted to see how hard he is scamming people, and this is what we got from him. So he was selling guidelines which help you trade better and stuff, which I'm not selling and I will never sell it in future. Everything I know it's gonna be on my YouTube channel for free. So please do not get scammed by these bots. So of course I asked him, is it free? Of course he said is not, you need to pay for it. And then we told him that we can invest only $500. And then he asked for our full name, email address and currency of trade. So then we come to idea to tell him that we are not 18 years old yet, just to see if he is going to scam a kid. And of course he is scammer, of course he wants to scam. And then we didn't type him anything else anymore because we just wanted to waste his time. So please be careful and please do not contact number like this. So our story begins of 10th of March when I decided I'm going to upload referrals with us. And at that day we made $0.03. And now I'm showing you what I was doing 14th of April. That was 5 days ago. So now I will show you how much I made so far, and I made $7 from all of that. For example, on fiat and spot I have 2.7, and here are all coins which they traded, just small amount. And what you probably want to do over here, you can convert small balance to BNB. So you come here, you check this and you convert, and then basically all these little coins are now BNB. I have 2.68 BNB. And now I'm going to show you what happened 16th of April. So 2 days later we actually have 3 new users which are actually trading, which is great. And I also find out that I can see futures and mining as well, how much we have. And over here we are ranked 4,826, which is insane. But in spot, where I have most of friends trading, we are still not 10,000. So this is how many I have right now. Nothing really changed. And now let's see how much we have all together. So today, after 2 days, we have $9.20. And let's go in fiat and let's convert everything to BNB. So my friends trading with Binance the most. Then we have some VeChain and so and so. So convert small balance to BNB, convert, yes. Alright, so now we still have probably 920, 921, and since I don't have anything to do with that, I'm going to earn, boom, stake, maximum, easy. So now altogether we have $8 in this flexible savings, so I can redeem them whenever I want. I need just a bit so I can start trading. I just want to see how much do I need so I can start trading. For example, now I have, yeah, I need $10 to start trading. Okay, that's close, that's close. I hope 2 more days and then I can actually start trading and probably make more money on this account. So 2 days later, as soon I got my $10, which means I can start trading, I insta go and I sell my BNB for USD, and with that USD I buy some Dogecoin. And since it was really high and I honestly think that price should be way lower, this is not financial advice, please do everything on your own risk, I went to short it. And I shorted with X3 leverage, since I really don't want to risk all my money which I earn in past 2 months. So I shorted around over here, somewhere my entry price was 0.34. Right now I have 24%, so if I somehow get liquidated, price need to be 0.51, and Doge was never that price, and I don't really think that it will be, not financial advice. So let me know, guys, what do you want me to do with this? Do you want me to sell it? Type in comment section what do you want me to do with it. Do you want me to sell it for profit, or do I risk it and just leave it over here? But Dogecoin is really volatile, and to be honest, I could easily lost all of this, and then I need to start from zero. So it's up to you. Go to comment section and let me know what should I do. After that, let's go to referrals. So right now we have 18 friends traded and 467 total, but this number is important. In futures we have 3. In mining we are number 4209, which is amazing. And of course, guys, if you want to support me, once again, this is best code you can find, link will be in description. Anyway, after that, let's go in overview. So right now we have $12.72. Most of my money is in coin and futures because of this Doge, which you need to tell me what to do with it. We have something in pool. This is from people which are mining with my code. And then in fiat in spot we have some BNB and USD. So I really don't know what to show you else. I think I show you everything you wanted to see. And what do you think? Also type me in comments how long it will take for me to get $10,000 from not investing single dollar. And also, I will never give up. No matter how long it's gonna take, I will always update you.